Hello everyone, so today I'm showing you this look. It's pretty neutral and quick and easy for me. But yeah, I'm pretty proud of myself for how quick I've done this because I have to go out now. But yeah, it's just this pretty gold and brown and a pop of green on the eyes and then a classic red lip. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and let's just get started. Today I'm going to be doing a wearable Christmas glam kind of look. Put on my Instagram story if you wanted me to do a red and green look or like a more wearable one. This is more wearable for me, so by more wearable I meant like neutrals. This is neutral for me, so don't come for me. Just please don't. I am going to be using the Morphe X James Charles palette for this look, as I wanted to try out the neutral shades as well, because in my last video I tried out the bright shades. So if you want to see my full first opinions, then go over to my first video about this palette, which should have been my last video. So yeah, I'm just going to get on and do the other eye and talk you through what I do. So I've primed my eyelids with the Plouise Base in the shade 01. And I'm just patting out the creases. So the first shade I'm going to go in with is this big shade, second to last, which is No Beans, and I'm going to pack that on my outer corner. I was using a bigger brush before, just basically a bigger pencil brush, but that has darker shade on it now since I used it on the other eye. So I will be using this right now. And I'm also just bringing this to the front lowest part of my crease. All of my brushes basically are from Morphe, and these ones with the gold and black handles are from the Grand Masters brush collection. I really like this collection. Now I'm going to take the shade Next Along, which is 10% off, and I'm going to pack that above. So now I'm actually taking a Morphe Jaclyn Hill brush, which is the JH40, but it's basically the same as the M506, I think. And I'm going to be taking Code James, which again is the next one along, and again pretty simple. I'm going to be taking that above. I like to pack my shades on, so I usually would just pack it above and a bit on, so like half of it on the low shade and half of it above it. Now we're actually going into this shade over here, which is Benny, and this is going to be like the deeper shade. Going back in with that first shade, which is No Beans, and taking a bit of 10% off again. A little bit more of Code James. Just blend that out a little bit more. And then a little bit of Tune, which is this light yellowy tone shade. Just right at the top, just to help blend that out. And as I always do, I go back and forth between every shade that I have put on my eye. Usually I'm going to go in with some more of the Plouise Base and just half cut the crease. Going back in with that brush with the darkest shade on, I'm just patting across the edge to make sure that there isn't a harsh line. So now I'm going into this deep gold shade, which is the shade Wig, and it's like a dark bronzy gold, and I'm packing that on the outer part of the cut. And now I'm going in with the shade So Good, which is a lighter gold, and just putting that next to it. And then finally with the shade Ring Light, I'm going to put that on the inner part. Now I'm taking some of the NYX Glitter Glue, and I'm just going to take that really lightly. So I'm taking it on a brush and I'm just kind of patting it out onto my hand, and then I'm just going to pack it around. I don't really want too much. And then I'm taking some of the Peaches and Cream Gatsby pigment. I'm taking some of that from the lid, so I don't want too much. And I'm going to place that over. For my inner corner, I'm taking a little bit more of that glitter glue and I'm packing it on the inner corner, just still a small amount. And then taking another Peaches and Cream pigment. This is in the shade Rattlesnake, which is a greeny goldy shade, which I really love at the moment for Christmas because it's like a hint of green. And I'm going to put a bit on the inner corner. Okay, so this is the finished look. I did have to rush it a bit and I have to go out soon, so I'm sorry that it wasn't too much in detail and it's not the best look I've done. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please give a big thumbs up if you did and subscribe if you are new. Also, don't forget to check out my Instagram. It's @KingMakeup. I'm kind of getting close to 100k on there, which is crazy. I cannot believe it. Thank you so much for all your support. Let me know if you have any other video requests and I'll try and do them. And yeah, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you very soon with another video. Bye.